In this video, we're going to be teaching you the kendama trick known as swirl. It looks like this. Now, in order to do this trick, you want to make sure you know how to do airplane. So if you don't know that trick, make sure you go back to our previous videos and check that out. So to start this trick off, you're going to be holding it in a Ken grip. You're going to let the ball hang loose. What you're going to do is you're going to set the string on top of your finger like this, and you want a little bit closer to the Ken rather than the middle. That way it allows the ball and the Ken to rotate opposite of each other a little bit easier. And what you're going to do is you're going to swing the tama one time in front of the Ken like this. So that way the string will wrap one time around your finger. And then once you complete that one wrap, you're going to toss the Ken right when the tama is at about 6 o'clock, and that will allow them to spin opposite of each other. And what you want to do is you want the tama to make 3 rotations around, and it helps me when I count out loud when I do the trick when I'm first learning. So you set it on, wrap it in front of the tama, and the first wrap counts as the first roll out of 3. So it goes 1, 2, and on the third one, you grab the tama, and you're going to have the Ken continue unwrapping on the inside of the tama, and the momentum of the trick will allow the Ken to unwrap naturally. And once the Ken unwraps naturally, you're now ready for an airplane. So what you want to do on this part is you really want to bend your knees down when it's coming down, because when you're doing the trick and it's coming out and you don't bend your knees, you can see the tama has no control and it just kind of flops everywhere. So you really want to emphasize bending your knees, because when the Ken is unwrapping and it's coming to its bottom peak, if you bend your knees, it almost brings the Ken to a complete stop, which allows you to start from a basic airplane, which is really nice to end the trick. And if you're having trouble with this trick, what you can do is you can do a simpler version of it, which allows you to practice the motion of the whole trick, because the ending is the most difficult part and a lot of people have hard transitioning out of it. So what you can do is you can just wrap the tama around one time and immediately grab it afterwards and toss the Ken. And you can see it's a lot shorter and it gives you that same motion of the trick. So you can pop it up and practice the airplane at the end. And that is how you do swirl.